My name is Manish Dhawale. I am a student of National Institute of Industrial Engineering, Mumbai, which is one of the topmost business school in India. In next 5 minutes, I am going to brief about my work and my personal profile. I completed my secondary and higher secondary education from RK High School, Gurgaon. I secured distinction grade in 10th and first class in 12th and graduation respectively. I have graduated from College of Engineering, Pune, which is the second oldest engineering college in India. During my college days, I had participated and won a prize in box cricket tournament. This proves that I am a good team player. I have won the first prize in contraption, a national level technical fest at PICT Pune. In my third year, I have done internship at Lloyd Steel Industries Limited, Wardha, in which I got exposure in the technical details of the cold rolling process, the details of the equipment and the process of cold rolling mill, the details of the annealing furnace. I did my final year project on recovery of heat from the diesel engine for the refrigeration purpose. We use the heat of the exhaust from the diesel engine for the refrigeration using vapor absorption system. We fabricated the heat chamber by brazing process. We use the baffle plates for heat exchanger for maximum heat recovery. With these, we were able to achieve the 3.87% increase in diesel engine efficiency. We achieved 18 degrees Celsius temperature in just 14 minutes using the heat recovery from the exhaust. After completing my graduation, I joined Dana India Technical Center, Pune, which have carved a niche in axle manufacturing and design. I have worked there on a project of complexity reduction of parts of axle components by commonizing the dimensions or the design of the parts. My roles and responsibility there were include to collect the attributes of the components commonized to a single component, to manage the data of the components in Siemens product lifecycle management software, to generate engineering change request for the proposed changes in the design of the components. After working for the 5 months in Dana, I joined Welspun Maxim Limited, which is one of the largest sponge iron manufacturing company in India. As a mechanical maintenance engineer, I was responsible for the mechanical maintenance of the pumps, compressors, turbines of the sponge iron plant. I am an expertise in various NDT techniques such as dye penetrant test, radiography, vibration analysis. I have planned the budget and allocated for the mechanical maintenance of the reformer area of the sponge iron plant. I manage the inventory of MRO atoms for the reformer area. I managed and monitor all transactions and activities using SAP ECC R3, the maintenance module. I have done the root cause analysis of the failure of the equipments using the tools like Ishikawa diagram, Viva analysis, etc. I conducted and mentored a brainstorming session for the Kaizen initiatives. I spearheaded the application of 5S and visual management practice at the working site. I was the only integral source of FMEA lifecycle costing of the mechanical equipments for the procurement decisions. I managed the outsourced manpower and the shift scheduling of the technicians. I have done the financial analysis of the resources by monitoring the plant versus actual expenditure. I have done the operational planning in Primavera V6 and executed the annual shutdown maintenance. During my tenure here at Welspun, I got the Commendable Job Award for solving a problem of clogging of production line, saving a production loss of 7,800 tons a year. I was also appreciated by the management for executing a project on in-house fabrication of wall hydro test bench, thus saving a process time by 75%. So these are my competencies and I feel that I am the good candidate for your job. Thank you. Bye bye.